Hi guys, PD Tech here with a little channel update. I'm just editing my latest video that's going to be going on the channel later today. And it's just to let you know what's going on with my channel, what new things are going to be coming. There's going to be loads more reviews. There's going to be loads more content, much more regular content. I'm going to be showing you how I edit and put together my videos, some little tips on that. The software I currently use DaVinci Resolve. I think the latest is on around about version 16. It's a free bit of software to download. It's really powerful. It takes a little while to learn how to use the workflow and how to use there's tons and tons of features on the program, and I sort of barely scratch the surface of it really, but there's a lot more on it than I actually use. It's a really good program, so I'll be going on about that. I'll be doing some videos about that. There'll be lots more reviews, like I say. I've got this coming up soon, a little action cam that I've used in this video that I'm editing now. I'll be showing you some of the kit that I use. This is one of my video cameras. It's nothing fantastic. I think I picked this up secondhand. It's just a 1080p Panasonic, but it's really good quality. I'm going to be doing. I've got the Mavic Mini coming to the channel soon as well. Hopefully tomorrow. So I'll be doing a little unboxing and like a initial impressions video of that as well. So I'm looking forward to flying that as well and bringing tons more Mavic Mini content to the channel. We've got loads more flights, so I don't usually do rant videos, but I'm going to be explaining why I don't want to be registering my drones, and I'm going to be explaining how I'm going to avoid having to register. There's a perfectly legal way to do it, especially if you fly under 250 grams. You can go down that route, but I'm just going to do a video explaining why I'm resisting that as much as I can. So I just want to say thank you everyone to subscribing to my channel. Thanks for supporting, thanks for watching, thanks for leaving the comments, it really helps. And just continue to support. So just to recap, we've got tons more videos coming to the channel, tons more content. I'm going to be showing you how I edit and put my videos together. The kit I use. I'm going to be showing you how you can fly stuff like this without having to register. How you can fly the Mavic Mini and not have to register. The video I'm editing at the minute is me flying my RC logger in some really strong wind and how it was coping. And it did quite well actually. So, and this is under the 250 gram limit. This has brushless motors. I think it only weighs about 136 grams or something like that, flying weight. So you can still have a lot of fun without registering. So I'll be doing a few little videos on that. My channel's not a rant channel, but I just feel strongly about this registration scheme, so I'll be putting a couple of videos together about that. So thanks for watching guys, take care, hope you've enjoyed, and look forward to seeing you in the future. Fly safe, bye bye for now.